everyone. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokele. In this video, we are going to be transcribing and sounding word examples for the consonant W. The consonant W gives the sound W. W. And this is part 2 of this topic. The W gives the sound W as in will, well, where, when, wash, walk, woman, white, window, Wednesday, and winter. So follow me as I open up the slashes and transcribe the words one after the other. Hope you'll be trying out some words. Transcribing words is good for everybody. Okay, this is will. So you just bring in your sound and your ear. Okay, and this one is well. Well, and this one is where. And this one is when. And this one is your swimming is. These two letters you change to one sound. Shh. Wash. And this one is walk. The letter L in walk is silent. Okay? Take note of all these things. And this is woman. Look at the chua sound coming in. And this one is white. And this one is window. Window. And this one is Wednesday. The letter D here is silent. Okay? And this one is when. Hope you can see this one. Winter. That's it. Okay? Let's close them up and sound them again. Good. So let's go. This is will, where, when, wash, walk, woman, white, window, Wednesday, and winter. Let me take it just once more. Will, well, where, when, wash, walk, woman, white, window, Wednesday. Forget the letter. Don't forget that the letter D is not pronounced. The letter D shouldn't come in at all. It's Wednesday. All right, both of the learners with this. Okay. Wednesday. Winter. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. If you are yet to subscribe, please encourage me by subscribing. Bye.